Hello, my lovely children. Welcome back. How are you all? Hope you all are staying fine and doing good at your home. Let's start today's video. Class 1, Subject Maths, Chapter 1, Time, Lecture number 3, Term 3. Children, we have started our chapter number 1 and it's our lecture number 3. 2 lectures we have done previously, in which we discussed time in clock and days of the week and months of the year. Okay. So in this video, what we are going to discuss, let's see. Subtopics are calendar, yesterday, today and tomorrow. First, we will discuss calendar. After that, we will do yesterday, today and tomorrow. Yesterday means the day which has been passed. Today, जो दिन आज है, and tomorrow the day that will come, जो दिन अभी आएगा means कल, लेकिन जो अभी आने वाला कल है. Okay, so we will discuss both the topics in today's video. Let's get started. Okay, children, your first topic is calendar, right? So this is a real calendar. This calendar is having 12 months because 1 year has 12 months. They are as follows: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the 12 months of the year. ये हमारे एक साल के 12 months होते हैं. And in every month there are 30 or 31 days except February. सिर्फ February में 28 या फिर 29 days होते हैं. Except February, there are 30 or 31 days. I have told you in which month there is 30 days and in which month there is 31 day. Okay, 31 days किस में होते हैं? 30 days कौन से month में होते हैं? Let me show you first. This is the month January. In January there are 31 days. As I have told you according to the feast. Now let me give you again example. This is my feast. And if you can see it properly, here is born, here is pit, born, pit, and here is again born. On born, there are 31 days. In the pit, there is 30 days. On all borns, there are 31 days. Okay, children. So January means 31 and here total 31 days. After that, February's exception means February में 28 और 29 days होते हैं. When there is leap year, there are 29 days. Otherwise, there are 28 days. So February, there are 28 days. This is not a leap year. Next year is not a leap year. Okay, children. After that, March comes. Here March comes. In March, January, February, March means 31 days. Here 31 days. After that April. January, February, March, April means 30 days. Here 30 days. After that April के बाद May. January, February, March, April, May. May on the bone there must be 31 days and this one 31 days. After that June comes. January, February, March, April, May, June. In the pit, that's why 30 days. And here also 30 days. Children, the number of days remains same in all year. Every year the number of days is same. Number of days कभी भी change नहीं होते. These are same, number of days are same. ये कभी change नहीं होते. ओके, इट डजंट मीन कि अब 2020 है तो 30 डेज होंगे जून में, 2021 में 31 डेज हो जाएंगे. नो, दीज विल रिमेन सेम every year. Now next is July. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 31 days. Here 31 days. Then August. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. 31 days. Children, there are 2 months, January, July and August. These both months, there are 2 months which are having 31 days. Regular 2 months ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें 31 days होते हैं. These are July and August. जुलाई और अगस्त में 31 days होते हैं. Okay, these are continuous और दोनों लगातार भी होते हैं. After that September, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. 30 days. Here 30 days. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 31 days. After that November comes. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. 30 days. Here 30 days. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 31 days. Okay, children. So this is the calendar. After that, in a calendar, they are mentioned a list of holidays. It means छुट्टियों की जो भी लिस्ट होती है, हॉलीडेज की जो भी लिस्ट होती है. दिस इज द लिस्ट ऑफ हॉलीडे ऑफ अपकमिंग ईयर. जो भी हमारा नेक्स्ट ईयर होगा, दैट इज 2021, उसके जो भी हॉलीडेज होंगी, गजेटेड हॉलीडेज, गवर्नमेंट हॉलीडेज, उनकी ये लिस्ट होती है, कैलेंडर में वो मेंशन होती है. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन दैट हाउ टू रीड अ कैलेंडर, कि कैलेंडर को हम कैसे रीड कर सकते हैं. कैलेंडर को रीड करना सबको आना चाहिए. सो हाउ वी कैन रीड अ कैलेंडर. चिल्ड्रन, लुक एट वेरी केयरफुली. हियर days are mentioned which we have done earlier. These are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In calendar, days are started from Sunday, but Monday is the working day, so we count from Monday. That doesn't mean that the calendar is wrong or your teacher is teaching you wrong. No, calendar is at his own place, its own place, and teacher is its own place. Okay, both are correct. No worries कि दोनों में कुछ भी गलत होता है. Okay, अगर हम मंडे से पढ़ते हैं दैट्स ओके, अगर हम संडे से करते हैं तो भी ओके है. कैलेंडर में संडे से होता है, अदरवाइज वर्किंग डे मंडे से होता है. दैट्स व्हाई योर टीचर टीच मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे. It doesn't varies. After that, here is day mentioned Sunday. MON means Monday. TUE means Tuesday. WED means Wednesday. THU means Thursday. FRI means Friday. SAT means Saturday. Children, कैलेंडर रीड करना आना आपको बहुत जरूरी है. आप सबको आना चाहिए. ओके, सभी बच्चों को कैलेंडर रीड करना आना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आपको ये तो पता है कि कैलेंडर क्या होता है, पर आपकी मम्मा ने या किसी ने भी आपसे पूछा कि बताओ कि 25th को कौन सा डे है, तो आपको तो पता ही नहीं. सो इट इज अ प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज. इट्स नेसेसरी टू नो. Sunday, Monday, these are mentioned here. After that, go to the January month. If you want to know that 13th of January falls on which day, so move to 13th of January, keep finger and go straight to the day. It's Wednesday. You can tell 13th of January is Wednesday. After that, if someone asks, tell me in February month 18th of February falls on which day? Go to February month. After that, find the date 18. Here is the date 18th and go straight towards to the day. 18 से straight जाएंगे तब हमें कौन सा डे मिलेगा? Thursday. So you can say 18th of February, it's Thursday. Okay. After that, if someone asks, tell me 27th of April falls on which day? Move towards to the April 27th and then go straight towards to the days. It's Tuesday. You can say Tuesday falls on 27th of April. Okay, children? So it's very easy to read a calendar. After that, 4, 11, 18, 25 are Sundays. 5, 12, 19, 26 are Mondays. 6, 13, 20, 27 Tuesdays. 7, 14, 21, 28 Wednesdays. 1, 8, 15, 22, 29 Thursdays. 2, 9, 16, 23, 23rd, 30th Friday. 3, 10, 17, 24 Saturday. Okay, children? So there is no difficulty to reading a calendar. It's very easy. Okay, children? Now let's do our second topic. Okay, children. So as I have explained you that yesterday means the day which has been passed away. Today means the day which is going on. And the tomorrow, the day which will be arrived. So yesterday वो दिन होता है जो हमारा जा चुका है, बीत चुका है. ओके, जो अभी अभी जो हम बोलते हैं ना कल हुआ था, हमने कल खाया था, हमने कल ऐसे पिया था, ऐसे. और टुडे जो आज चल रहा है, और टुमारो जो अभी आएगा, नेक्स्ट जो कल हमारा होगा. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, मैं कल क्रिकेट खेलूंगा और मैं कल स्टडी करूंगा या करूंगी, वट एवर. सो दीज आर known as yesterday, today and tomorrow. Okay. According to that, I have created one activity. Through the activity, you will get to know yesterday, today and tomorrow very effectively and easily. So let's start. Here I have made one flower. On this flower, I have mentioned the days of the week. Days of the week we have done earlier in the lecture number 1. These are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Total 7 days of week we have. In a week there are total 7 days. Okay, children. So days of the week I have mentioned on this flower. Through this activity you will get to know that how to calculate the day of yesterday and tomorrow. So let's start doing. Suppose it's Friday. So Friday is the day of today's. Today is Friday. And the yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow it will be Saturday. Okay. किसी भी डे के जो प्रीवियस वाला डे होता है दैट इज नोन एज यस्टरडे. उसके जो अपकमिंग मीन्स अभी जो डे आएगा बाद में वो होगा हमारा टुमारो. ओके, ये सारा मैं आपको पहले ही एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूं. सो देर इज नो नीड टू एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन एंड अगेन. आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन माई एक्टिविटी हेयर दैट आई हैव रोटेटेड द फ्लावर and here it is today, and the day of today is today. It's Friday, and yesterday it was Thursday. Tomorrow it will be Saturday. Okay, children. So again I rotated the flower. If I rotate it, yes, here today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Forget all these days, and Keep focus on all 3 days. Today it's Thursday. Yesterday means जो डे बीत गया, जो प्रीवियस, जो कल था, जो जा चुका है डे, that was yesterday, and yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow it will be Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Okay, children. Again, if I rotate, then here I got today is Tuesday. Monday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow it will be Wednesday. Okay, children. So with the help of this activity, we can calculate the days. In that, we can easily calculate that what was yesterday, what is today, and what will be tomorrow. Okay, this can be understand very well. This can be understood very well. Okay, so take one more example. If I rotate it like this, okay, you can count it on your finger also, such as it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you take here Friday, so before Friday it's Thursday, and after Friday it's Saturday. But you can easily get this with the help of this activity. Okay, suppose it's Sunday. Today is Sunday. Okay, आज Sunday है. Now, if the question is asked to you that what was yesterday, अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए कि yesterday means कल क्या था, कल कौन सा डे था, so what would you answer? It's Saturday. Okay, children. If it is asked that which day it will be tomorrow, अगर इसी में आपसे पूछा जाए कि आने वाले कल में, it means tomorrow कौन सा डे होगा, so you can easily reply that tomorrow will be Monday. Okay, it will be Monday. Okay, children, so you can easily answer all the questions based on yesterday, today and tomorrow. In this one, today is Sunday, yesterday was Saturday, and tomorrow it will be Monday. If I rotate it again, and here the question is asked, if today is Saturday, which day will be tomorrow, and what was the day yesterday? अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि अगर आज सैटरडे है तो आज से पहले वाला दिन मीन्स यस्टरडे कौन सा डे था, सो यस्टरडे वॉज फ्राइडे. इसके पहले कौन सा डे था? फ्राइडे, क्योंकि सैटरडे के पहले कौन सा डे होता है? फ्राइडे. आफ्टर दैट इट इज आस्क्ड दैट विच डे इट विल बी टुमारो, सो टुमारो इट विल बी संडे. एज वी गेस सैटरडे से नेक्स्ट डे कौन सा होता है? संडे. पहले फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो यू हैव टू कीप दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड दैट सैटरडे इज टुडे इज द प्रेजेंट डे, yesterday the day which has been passed, and tomorrow the day which will arrive. Okay, I am rotating this flower again, and now you have to give me the answer. You have to speak there wherever you are. What will be the day tomorrow? Yes, you have to guess yourself. It's for yesterday, it's for today, and it's for tomorrow. So tomorrow it will be Saturday. Now one more question. What was the day yesterday? कल कौन सा डे था? Yes, look at yourself and then reply me. Yes, you are absolutely right. That was Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. It was Thursday yesterday. And today it is Saturday. It's very easy. Okay children, so I hope you have got this concept very easily. Now you can solve the questions based on the yesterday, today and tomorrow. Okay children, let's take two examples. If today is Saturday, तो कल कौन सा डे होगा? टुमारो मीन्स आने वाला कल. So if today is Saturday, tomorrow it will be Sunday. If today is Thursday, what will be the day tomorrow? अगर आज थर्सडे है तो कल कौन सा डे होगा? टुमारो मीन्स आने वाला कल. आने वाले कल में कौन सा डे होगा? तो कल कौन सा डे होगा? इट विल बी थर्सडे के बाद फ्राइडे. सो इट विल बी फ्राइडे टुमारो. FRIDAY फ्राइडे. इफ टुडे इज मंडे, व्हाट वाज द डे यस्टरडे? अगर आज मंडे है तो कल कौन सा डे था? यस्टरडे मीन्स बीता हुआ कल. यस्टरडे कौन सा था? मंडे से पहले कौन सा होता है? संडे. SUNDAY संडे. Okay children, so here we have done. Now let's see what's your homework. And yes children, here is your homework. And your homework is learn and write months of the year in notebook. You have to write months of the year in your notebook with a proper format. Okay. You have to make today's format with the date and day. In between you have to write the heading. I will give you example, and after that you have to learn them also. Okay, so learn and write. And these are the months of the year: January, 2nd February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the months of the week, months of the year. So you have to learn and write also. Okay children, you have to do both of the work. After that, let's discuss the homework solution of previous lecture. In the previous lecture, your homework was learn and write months of the year in your notebook. I gave the same homework. I'll give you the same homework until you get frequent in the months of the year. Okay children, so in the previous lecture your homework was same, so I gave the same homework in both of the lectures. If you will repeat them again and again, so you will be able to speak them frequently. Now let me tell you, like this you have to make format in your notebook: double line format, 1 and 2, 2 line format. Okay, date, day, SW, months of the year, it means heading. After that, here you have to write. I have used here pen, color pen, but you have to use your pencil. Okay children, आपको अपनी पेंसिल की हेल्प से करना है, कलर यूज नहीं करने. You can use color in making format. आप फॉर्मेट बनाने के लिए कलर यूज कर सकते हैं. Beautifully you have to do. Joining the letters with each other. Cursive you can also use. Like this you have to write. Numbering also, and then months of the year. Okay children, so I hope this is clear to you all. Now I would like to say bye. Till the next video, take care of yourself.